The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body, performing crucial functions such as detoxification, protein synthesis, and bile production for digestion. Maintaining liver health and supporting its regenerative capacity is essential, and nutrition plays a significant role in this. This video will discuss foods that help regenerate and support liver health. Here are foods that help regenerate the liver. Leafy green vegetables: spinach, Swiss chard, arugula. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps the liver detoxify. Antioxidants: they neutralize free radicals, reducing cellular damage. Cruciferous vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain glucosinolates, which activate liver detoxification enzymes. Sulfur compounds enhance the liver's detoxification capacity. Garlic and onions: garlic contains allicin and selenium, which support liver cleansing and regeneration. Onions, flavonoids and sulfur compounds help protect liver health and promote regeneration. Artichokes: cynarin promotes liver cell regeneration and increases bile production. Fiber supports digestion and reduces the liver's workload. Avocado: glutathione supports the liver's detoxification processes. Healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties and protect liver health. Green tea: catechins. Antioxidant effects reduce liver fat and improve liver functions. Polyphenols support liver detoxification enzymes. Beetroot, betaine, supports liver cell regeneration and enhances detoxification. Antioxidants reduce the harmful effects of free radicals. Turmeric, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that promote liver regeneration. Bioactivity improves liver functions and supports the elimination of toxins. Salmon and other fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce liver fat and prevent inflammation. High-quality protein, essential for liver regeneration and repair. Walnuts, glutathione and omega-3 support liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. L-arginine lowers ammonia levels, protecting liver health. Lemons and other citrus fruits. Vitamin C supports the liver's detoxification process and neutralizes free radicals. Citrate increases bile production, aiding digestion. Blueberries and raspberries. Polyphenols and antioxidants protect liver cells from free radical damage and promote regeneration. Fiber supports digestion and reduces the liver's workload. Regular consumption of these foods is crucial for maintaining liver health and supporting its regenerative process. A balanced and nutritious diet helps the liver perform its functions and regenerate effectively. This video aims to educate on how to support liver health through nutrition for a healthier and happier life. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave your questions and comments about liver health below. Wishing you all good health.